Good morning, traders. This is another morning with Alpha Fibonacci System and my incredible traders, Alpha Fibonacci students. Every morning we start with preparation for your trade. Every morning we discuss critical buy and sell zones. Right now, price way overextended. Your ultimate buy point this week played out here. Prior to the market open, price retraced and buyers stepped in here. So watch very carefully so you can understand why traders all over the world trading the method. No problem. 6 points on S&P, spectacular funk. 1 lot $300, 10 lots $3,000. 20 lots $6,000. 100 lots. You can trade on S&P. You want to trade 500 lots? Not a problem. Fong starting his own hedge fund. Phenomenal work. Fong thinking as hedge fund manager. Buying from support. Not touching any shorts in this market. Watch carefully. This is a system in front of you on any chart you choose to trade. 5. Shock or not. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you know days in advance where to buy from. You know days in advance not to enter into resistance. Yesterday was war zone. Yesterday was brutal. Intelligent trader did not spend any time in front of the screen. This morning was a dream. Tuesday was spectacular. Ultimate buy, ultimate bottom. Flawless. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Do you want to trade 3? Of course, not a problem. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. So when Goldman traders, JP Morgan traders been buying since March 23rd, and you've been buying from institutional support, and you enjoyed ultimate buy at 3,200, in no time you will be operating your own hedge fund. Jordan, first mentoring session, already trading on SIM. 1 session. Richard, I cannot wait for podcast tomorrow. 4 points S&P. $200 1 lot, $2,000 10 lots, $4,000 20 lots. Boom, Preston for little babies at home. A couple of mentoring sessions, 41 points on Dow. Richard in group class, Fong in group class. Preston in private mentoring, Jordan private mentoring, Khalid killing it. Dow. Don is practicing on Sim. Khalid and Dow in group class. They are not in private mentoring. And look what I love about this statement, as Jordan says yesterday, very choppy, genius. He already learned how not to lose money. He already learned how not to waste time. Boom! That's the reason I love what I do. Right now, software showing you. Walk away. Your ultimate longs are gone, gone, gone. All played out from support with ultimate precision on any instrument you choose to trade. And as we're discussing every morning, simplicity of the method will blow you away. And that's another beautiful morning with my students as they understand less trades, more money at the lot size, not the number of trades. So I mentor how to think and be a top 1%. Because I raised one as well. That's all I know. I don't know anything less. Because if you want to be top 1%, you need to stop thinking as majority does. That's the only way to success. And journeys and stories like Preston, like Brett, like Don, like Mel, like every single one of these traders is different. You decide what you want to trade. This is only this morning. This is only few minutes. This means the world. And that spectacular dream. Jordan starting his own hedge fund account, correct, Jordan? Jason has zero doubt. So is Preston. I am mentoring only hedge fund traders. I have zero interest in anything else. That's it. Soon, I have no doubt, within the next 2 months, Jordan will never have to do anything else. The only thing Jordan, Fong, Richard, Brett, Preston, every single one of these traders who is making an effort, Khalid, will need to do is spend a couple of hours per week in front of the screen. That's it. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. Obey Alpha Fibonacci support. Obey Alpha Fibonacci resistance. And play by the rules. The skies are the limit if you do. Look at this. Nothing here to do right now. Price is stuck. Intelligent trader understands that. Price can be stuck for hours. Babysitting junk is never a recipe for success, is it? Never, ever, ever. Price been stuck here for the last 30 minutes. Yesterday was 8 hours of nothing. Look at this. This is genius. Jordan already learned the most important thing. One class. He's not losing money. He's operating as sniper. Do not overcomplicate trading, pretty please. And that's how price will test you to the core. Every single day. You decide what you want to trade. So this is where dream trading played out this week. Here, November 10th. Institutions buying market with vengeance. Ultimate longs played out here. Boom! This was spectacular morning, November 10th. Very different morning than this morning. Very, very different. Again, November 10th. Your work week maximum 10 hours. Yesterday, a bit of a pain. Traders trading Nasdaq, moving to gold, as you can see. Painful day. And that makes a world of difference. If you obey the rules and you understand when to trade, you're spending very little time in front of the screen. You're only interested in quality trading. That's it. If these traders can do it, so can you. Babysitting junk, never a recipe for success. Being follower in trading will never work. Being quality trader, making an effort does. And that's every single day. It will always change. Price can be stuck here for many, many hours. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader knows this. That's it. And that's our stunning month of November. So when my students sending me so many emails, when my students sending me so many birthday wishes, when my piano and emails flooding and covered in flowers and gifts, this is the reason I love what I do. Stories of my students like this. This is all that matters, traders. This is the key. I give you quality system that took me many, many years to develop, that you can trade on anything you choose. All you have to do, make an effort. And I look forward to your emails, to your success. So here's another update. Boom. From Brett. But you traded before market open. Stunning, stunning, stunning work. Phenomenal. Thank you, traders. So take a look on this chart very, very carefully, please. This is 3-minute S&P. Top day trading instrument on futures in US. 5-minute S&P. 15-minute S&P. With ultimate buy point at the institutional trend inception. Stunning and flawless. October 30th. But this is Tesla. Charts are twins. This is your long-term investment decisions. Look at that. Identical price action and Fibonacci levels. If you bought into this level, Tesla, you don't understand price action. You have a lot to learn. You buy at the bottom, as you saw in S&P. Worst case scenario, it's support. Identical strategies apply to it all. Here's identical price action on Euro daily. Buy at support. Do not enter into resistance. It will never work. If you will ever choose to buy outside of this level, you're trading with less than 20% success rate. You buy at the bottom. You buy at support. That will never, ever, ever change. Never. You decide what you want to trade. Oil stock at critical resistance. Ultimate buy point at bullish trend inception. That's it. So here's Pablo, complete beginner trader. Pablo never pushed a button on the account when he came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. 4 points on S&P. Flawless, stunning work. Spectacular. Boom. Every trader, from beginner to hedge fund manager, trading the method for the last 10 years on any instrument you choose. Here's an email from Bitcoin trader. Look at that. Trading cryptocurrencies. So much trades. Anything and everything when it comes to Bitcoin. Theta, Omega, Neo, Bitcoin, Link. I have no idea what those charts are. I've never seen them. I don't have any interest in them. Ken does. Ken made a decision what he wants to trade. That's it. 116 trades, no losses since March. What a stunning, beautiful work. It never gets old. Every trade a different account, every trade a different instrument. You decide what you want to trade. And if 14-year-old Dominic can trade this after a couple of classes, so can anyone. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. It is that simple. Dominic knows not to stare at junk. So does Jason, Jennifer, Emmanuel, Gerald, anyone you see here. So does Ken. Do not waste your time, pretty please. Understand the basic concept. This week, this was your ultimate morning. Thursday, second best. Wednesday, nightmare, waste of time being here. But out of all of this very different days, which forever will test you to the core, your ultimate buy came here. This is the chart. JP Morgan traders trade. I know. I mentor them. That's it. So if you're joining us and you're fortunate enough to buy last few licenses this year of software, that's it. So we have only very few licenses left, traders, of Alpha Fibonacci software until the end of this year. Very few licenses released every single year. So this is community of traders from all over the world. You can listen to podcasts, you can view students' performance, students inspiring each other, students sharing their journeys, their stories. So very few software licenses left with the biggest discount ever. All the prices, all the fees going up. So if institutional traders trading the system all over the world, what is stopping you? Listen to the stories of traders like you. View what traders do all over the world. It never gets old. I promise you. I look forward to receive email from you. Those who make an effort, the skies are the limit with Alpha Fibonacci system. You simply have to make an effort. And if day trading not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term positions. Because if Marco can do this in the middle of crisis, while being sick in Italy, what is stopping you? And that, the story of Fibonacci Trading Institute. Very powerful system. I look forward to your story and your journey with us. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.